Everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to make a playlist on my YouTube from my phone. So it's very easy. If you want to make a playlist on your phone from your phone, this is the process you should do it. Okay, first of all, go to YouTube, then this is the official homepage of your YouTube channel, YouTube app, and you will see in the left right hand side bottom right corner you will see your profile. Go to here and you will see the playlist you have created before. That there is so many playlists. View, if I click on view all, this is all the playlists I have created. So I want to create a new playlist. So how can I do it? Go to settings option, go to your profile, view channel, then click on playlist, and here you will find all the playlist. But as for example, I want to add this video to my playlist. How can I do it? Click on that three button here and click on save to playlist, and you will find all the playlists you want to do. And I want to make a new playlist which is called cinematic video tutorial, and it automatically create a new playlist for me. I will just click on create, and a new playlist is created. If you want to see your playlist, go to your profile and see playlist, and see you will find a new, you need to refresh again in order to see that. Here in the playlist section here, you can see the playlist cinematic video tutorial is now added. And if you want to add your video to a playlist, so go to your videos, and if you want to add this video to your playlist, click on here and click on click on here, click on save to playlist. Then you can easily add any videos from your existing playlist, and you can add your previous video to a new playlist or your existing playlist. This is that much easy. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and do let us know what kind of videos you like from us. Thank you.